If you haven't downloaded the Respondus LockDown Browser, then you'll need to go to your student link to the Respondus LockDown Browser, download and install it. Open the Respondus LockDown Browser. Click Yes. In the Respondus LockDown Browser window, log into Blackboard. Navigate to your course, and then to your quiz. Click on Begin. Click on the tab on the left side of your page. This opens the ReadSpeaker player. Position the player to where you want it on the page. Highlight your question and answer choices. Now click on Listen.
ReadSpeaker Doc Reader will read Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. True. False.
Select your answer. Repeat the process of highlighting the question and answer choices, clicking Listen, and selecting your answer. When you have completed your quiz, click on Save and Submit. Click OK. Click OK again. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and click OK. To exit the Respondus LockDown Browser, click OK. Now you see how easy ReadSpeaker webReader is to use while taking your quiz or test.